Improving turnover and retention plan. In the last 2 years, our turnover rate has exceeded the industry by 10%, including medical and administrative staff. With this high turnover rate, our company is spending more on hiring process, orientation, and training than it would be to have that new employee be with the company for 6 to 9 months of the year. So how can we lower our turnover rate? During our exit interviews, employees said that there is no room for growth, harsh treatment from managers and other staff, and there's a lack of communication, and also many have not seen a pay raise in 5 years. Though we should not focus just on the exit interviews, I do believe that there is very important information that we can use to our advantage. Some of the ideas to improve turnover is yearly raises, employee referral program, employee of the month, staff meetings, kudos board for all the staff, say thank you, these 2 words can go a long way, and create a lead nurse assistant for each shift. We of course want to know what our current staff is thinking. And we want to not just rely on the exit interviews, but we want to know what we can improve and what is working with our current employees. We want our employees to feel that their voice and opinions matter. In gathering employee data, I believe that an anonymous survey where staff won't feel pressure or think they will be reprimanded if they respond badly on what they think can improve. Also a suggestion box, which is for staff and patients, and they will be able to put suggestions on what they think can be made better. Also staff meetings. We can have a staff meeting once a month to keep employees in the loop on what is going on in the clinic and changes that are going on, and staff are able to voice concerns and opinions if they choose to. Gathering budget information is also very important. Knowing our clinic's budget and to keep our budget every month is very important. With our high turnover rate in the last 2 years, we want to know how much money we are losing and what is the best solution to lower that rate. Having budget meeting every Thursday of the month is recommended. Our retention plan is also important. Some of the things that I had thought of was calculating turnover rates, feedback sessions, interaction with the staff and management, and also compensation strategies. An additional budget plan is we can have an additional advertising for new patients, a referral program from other offices if needed, and also dollar dress down day on the last Friday of the month for the staff. Thank you.